Are you looking for the best folding weight benches in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding weight benches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. RitFit Foldable Weight Bench. The RitFit Foldable Weight Bench could become your ultimate friend in helping you shape your body. This foldable bench comes loaded with a chart describing 36 different exercise positions. As a result, you can start the moment you unpack it. The bench has a weight of 36 pounds and is composed of an entirely solid frame. The seat on this weight bench is adjustable between 4 different positions, hence, allowing you much versatility in exercising. Given that, the ankle support is heavily padded to give you maximum comfort as you work out. The support is also adjustable to meet your needs efficiently. At number 4. Gymnast Foldable Bench for Workout. Indeed, a versatile piece of workout bench for your home gym arrangement, then you will find this to be quite the contender. This is a super lightweight weight bench at only 29.95 pounds and is very easy to carry around with you. The bench allows for all kinds of exercise routines with great stability. This is because of the end caps loaded on the feet. Hence, they can be rotated on an uneven floor to give the bench extra balance. Given that, it also has very comfortable ankle support that makes it easier to deal with lots of exercises. You will also get a curved, ergonomic cushion with this bench. Thus, you can use it as a support for the neck or back or wherever required. At number 3. Finer Form Multi-Purpose Weight Bench. If you are tall and cannot seem to find an appreciable workout bench to suit your needs, you can check out this brilliant option. The best feature behind would be its taller backrest, like it is designed for the sake of taller people. This weighing bench comes in entirely solid construction that can withstand a load of up to 660 pounds. Well, this means that you can easily lift all those heavyweights with this bench too. The backrest can be adjusted between 8 different positions to meet the requirements of different workout routines. Finally, it has a width of 10 inches to adjust the person's body. Besides, it covers 34.5 inches in height and 14.3 inches in depth. At number 2. A tiva Foldable Workout Bench. This is a real lightweight bench that can help you around with most of the basic workout routines. This bench is designed for the purpose of low-weight workout and not designed for a heavy workout, and thus poses some limit to versatile use. A promising feature about this workout bench is that you can attach removable resistance bands to it. This small detail further enhances the type of workout you can perform with this bench. Given that, the bench also has one of the shortest dimensions when it is folded down. This makes way for very easy storage options, allowing you to store it in even the smallest of spaces when not used. At number 1. DoFit Multi-Purpose Weight Bench. The DoFit Multi-Purpose Bench could be called an all-rounder when it comes to workout benches. This is a truly admirable device to have in your home gym setup. The backrest loaded on this bench can be tilted at 6 stages starting from a 120-degree incline. Plus, it will be going all the way to full flat orientation. The seat is adjustable between 4 levels to attain maximum usability out of the bench. Moreover, the seat and backrest are so designed to take up the contours of your body and give an ergonomic fit. This makes way for more comfortable working out situations. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.